Labda ameshazikwa, kuna baadhi ya delegation bado wanakwenda kwake alipolazwa, lakini bado hatujaona.
I did call my mama Ida Odinga and I gave her my personal condolences, me and Pastor Dorcas, and we did place a request that we would like to go to Bondo, and she told us that things were still quite heavy, and at the appropriate time she will give us an answer. We are still waiting, and if the family tells us, in fact I was ready with my elders and everybody, but we cannot go to a home unless the owner of that home tells us come.
Are you saying they've denied you entry?
No, they have not.
Because it's been 5 months and you've not been there. Why didn't you go to Karen?
She told us to wait, and we are waiting. Yeah, you cannot force yourself into somebody's home. I'm an elder, I'm a leader in this country. I also am a person who respect families and homes and traditions.
What kind of message does it send, Mheshimiwa, when someone you say you revere passed on and you've not been seen anywhere near that place for 5 months?
I have made I made my condolences. I have passed my condolences to Mama Ida Odinga. I have said if accorded an opportunity, we would like to go and pay homage to the gravesite.
In one of the interviews